ancient evil.
A phantom. What it found in peace, it left in pieces.
Vanquished in the distant past by two noble heroes.
With the blade, my people survived the onslaught. Minosha and I became heroes.
Risen once more.
The Kashfar, power-hungry aliens who believe themselves to be the superior species of the universe. They revived an evil long thought destroyed by my ancestors. Herudegarn.
A new threat from a terror of old.
What could have done this?
I am Hoi, last of the Kashfar. You have been summoned to do my bidding.
The Earth's greatest warriors stand unafraid.
Look, I don't care what you are. This ends now! Slaughter them all!
Ready, double lethal missile fire!
The battle for the universe looms.
Together we shall bring this universe to its knees! Dragon! Fire!